Various animals live on our beautiful planet. Some can survive for hundreds, even thousands of years. Yet most special animals we see daily, like cats, dogs, and horses, have lifespans under 100 years. In this video, we will discuss the top 10 longest living animal species across the entire world. 10. Geoducks are large saltwater clams, easily recognizable by their long necks. These necks can grow up to 1 meter long, paired with their distinctive bodies. As one of the longest living mollusks globally, they also stand out as the planet's largest clam species. Typically, geoducks weigh between 0.5 to 1.5 kilograms, though some exceptional individuals have been found to reach 7 kilograms. Their lifespan is equally impressive. The average life expectancy is 145 to 150 years, and there have been records of a geoduck living for as long as 160 years, highlighting their remarkable longevity among marine creatures. 9. Tuataras. Tuataras are descendants of a reptile species that existed around 200 million years ago. Dubbed living fossils, only 2 species of tuataras remain today. These cold-blooded reptiles, the longest living vertebrates on Earth, boast an incredible lifespan. Most live up to 150 years, with the potential to survive for centuries. Exclusive to New Zealand, they are also the country's largest reptiles. Though nocturnal, tuataras can be active during the day too, making them a unique and ancient part of the nation's ecosystem. 8. Bowhead. Bowhead whales are the longest living mammals on Earth. Also known as the Arctic whale, they belong to the family Balenidae and the genus Balena. With a large body and a powerful triangular skull, they can break through ice up to 60 centimeters thick. Their mouths are remarkable, accounting for about 1/3 of their total body length, and are equipped with long baleen plates. Bowhead whales mainly inhabit the Arctic and sub-Arctic waters. They have a very long lifespan, about 190 years on average, and the oldest one on record was 211 years old. 7. Red sea urchins. Sea urchins are remarkable creatures and rank among the longest living animals on Earth. These small, spiny invertebrates mainly inhabit the Pacific Ocean, with their range stretching from Alaska to Baja California. They prefer shallow waters, avoiding extremely wavy areas, as they are sensitive to such conditions. Juvenile red sea urchins grow rapidly, reaching a length of 2 to 4 centimeters. As they age, their growth slows down, yet they never stop growing. Equipped with special defense mechanisms like sharp spines and a hard outer shell, they fend off predators. Some specimens have been found to be around 200 years old, and there's a belief that one hatched in 1805 is still alive. 6. Koi. Ranking 6th on the longevity list are koi, an ornamental variety of carp. Originating from common carp through selective breeding, these fish are adored for their vibrant colors and elegant swimming. They are often found in decorative ponds, where their vivid hues create a stunning display. Koi are exclusively freshwater dwellers. They are capable of swimming at high speeds, which serves as an effective means of escaping from potential predators. Their lifespans are impressively long, with some individuals known to live for over 200 years. A prime example is Hanako, the oldest recorded koi. Born in the first year of Horiki, 1751 in the Japanese calendar, Hanako passed away in 1977 at the remarkable age of 226, making it the longest living freshwater fish ever documented. 5. Tortoises. Tortoises, belonging to the family Testudinidae, are well known for their remarkable longevity. These reptiles are exclusive land dwellers, unlike many turtle species that are semi-aquatic. Their most prominent feature is the sturdy shell, which serves as their primary line of defense. The shell, a combination of a carapace on the back and a plastron on the belly, is not only a shield against predators but also offers protection from various environmental threats. When in danger, a tortoise can retract its head, legs, and tail into the shell, making it nearly impregnable. This physical adaptation, along with a slow metabolic rate, contributes to their long lifespan, often exceeding 200 years. One of the oldest recorded tortoises was Aldabra giant tortoise, which lived to be 250 years old. Their slow-paced lifestyle and ability to endure harsh conditions have made them symbols of patience and longevity in many cultures around the world. 4. Lamellobrachia tube worms. Lamellobrachia tube worms are captivating deep-sea inhabitants. These creatures thrive near hydrocarbon vents, which serve as their crucial source of nutrition. They have a unique symbiotic relationship with sulfide-oxidizing bacteria. The tube worms take in oxygen and hydrogen sulfide from the surrounding environment. In turn, they supply these substances to the bacteria, which convert them into energy-rich compounds that nourish the worms. Found predominantly in the northern Gulf of Mexico, Lamellobrachia tube worms live in colonies, with each colony housing over 100 individuals. They can grow up to an impressive 3 meters in length, but their growth is extremely slow. This slow growth rate is associated with their remarkable longevity, which can reach about 250 years. Their long lifespan and distinct ecological role make them a fascinating subject of study in deep-sea ecosystems. 3. Ocean quahogs. Ocean quahogs are commercially sought clams, dwelling in the cold waters of the North Atlantic. They are renowned for their remarkable longevity, often living for centuries. In fact, one specimen was found to be 507 years old. These clams are shielded by a hard, rounded shell, featuring distinct dark concentric rings. These rings, similar to tree rings, help scientists determine the clam's age. Ocean quahogs typically burrow in sandy seabeds, filtering organic matter for sustenance. Their slow growth rate is linked to their long lifespan, making them a unique and fascinating species in the marine world. 2. The ocean quahog, a captivating mollusk dwelling in deep waters, has an astonishing lifespan. These bivalves can live over 500 years, with the oldest one, found in 2006 on an Icelandic seabed, reaching 507 years. Unfortunately, researchers accidentally killed it while opening its shell to determine its age. Antarctic sponges, shaped like beer barrels and snowy white, inhabit the Antarctic Ocean. Recent studies show they've developed unique ways to live a very long time. With their slow growth rate, influenced by the cold, stable environment, some can survive up to 15,500 years, making them some of the longest living animals on the planet. 1. Turritopsis dohrnii jellyfish, often called the immortal jellyfish, holds the title of the world's longest living animal. These minuscule creatures, with a diameter of only 4 to 5 millimeters, possess a remarkable ability. When faced with threats like injury, starvation, or environmental stress, they can transition from their adult medusa stage back to the immature polyp stage. This process, known as transdifferentiation, allows them to essentially bypass death. Their shiny, transparent bodies house a red-hued digestive system, adding to their ethereal beauty. With this unique life cycle reversal, their lifespan is immeasurable, making them the only known truly immortal creature on Earth. From the immortal jellyfish that can restart its life to the ocean quahog that has lived for over 5 centuries, these animals have turned time into a longevity code. While we're accustomed to the over-a-decade companionship of cats and dogs, they quietly witness the rise and fall of dynasties in the deep sea and polar regions, making us can't help but wonder, is there more than one way to measure the scale of life?